Hey gang, welcome back to another video. This video is a little different than our usual videos. Today we're going to be testing out a DIY lash lift kit by Pinkzio, you guys. Yes, thank you Pinkzio for sending me this lash kit in order to review on my channel. Also, make sure you make it to the end, girl, because I'm going to be giving away the same lash kit from Pinkzio that we're using in the video, as well as these 3 beautiful eyelashes from Pinkzio themselves, you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, me again. So I'm starting off with my hair back, of course, and a freshly washed face. Okay, I did put some moisturizer on, but I made sure I did not put anything on my eyelids because we're going to be working with our eyelids, so make sure they're clean and dry. So anyway, let's get to the kit. So I'm showing you guys the kit here. As you can see, the kit is really big, and I feel like it has tons of information and things in it. So I'll show you guys another part of the kit. So this is how the kit looks. These are some of the things that are in the kit there. And here's another shot. I'm trying to show you guys like how many bottles of solution you have there. Okay, there we go. Better shot. So there is silicone eye patches, which are reusable, glue, some like felt tips at the top there. I didn't use those. And then these are your bottles of solution. They all have numbers to correlate with the instructions. It makes it really easy. However, I did notice there were some things in this kit I feel like you need that were not in there, so I got them myself there. So these are Q-tips. So this one is a professional like thing. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of like a Q-tip. But if you don't have that, you can use a Q-tip. You're also going to need a spoolie to brush your eyelashes, and also you would need either a toothpick or something like this with a pointed tip in order to separate the lashes, and tweezers. All right, you guys, so these are the eye shields. I'm starting off with them. I'm just examining them. They have different sizes, small, medium, and large, listed on them, and I'm just choosing the right eye shield because you want to make sure they fit perfectly on your eye and comfortably. They can be cut because they're silicone, so they could be custom to your eye. So that's just me trying on some different ones, and I ended up going with a size small. So first things first, you want to take your cleaning solution and a Q-tip, and you want to just dip it in, and you want to thoroughly clean your eyelashes and wait for them to dry. Then I'm taking my glue that comes in the kit, and your goal is to stick the eye shield on to your first eye. You want to do one eye at a time. So the instructions recommend putting the glue on the eye shield and then putting the eye shield on your eye. I like to put the glue on my eye first because I feel like I can just better control where the eye shield goes. And you want to get as close to the lash line as possible, not so close, but just enough to where you can fold the lashes on. And I found that if you put a little bit more extra glue in the corners, it'll stick a little better. Okay, and that's me looking crazy, girl. Okay, so then you want to take your toothpick, and then this is the part that took a while. It took me a good like 25 to 30 minutes to do this because this is the most important part. So you want to work in sections with this. You want to glue your lashes to the eye shield. So I work in sections. I started from the back first, and you're gonna see me spreading the eyelashes out and just adhering them to the actual shield. Now the most important thing is making sure they're all spread out and just even. Unless you have a specific style you want to perm your lashes in, I recommend just fanning them all out and taking your time, because however you stick your eyelashes onto the eye shield is how they're going to perm and set in the end. So there's a close-up of it, as you can see. And it takes a little bit of time, girl. So make sure you take your time, and that's why the toothpick is important. So then that way you can spread every single lash out. And like I said, just work in small sections all the way up to the top of your eye. All right, and that's your first step. With this next step, I decided to choose a Q-tip at first, but I'm later going to put it back for the toothpick, and you'll see why. So this is the perming solution, you guys. So the instructions say to place the perming solution on the base of the lash first, working your way up to the tip. And the reason for this is because if you were to just slather it all over your lashes on the eye shield, your eyelashes can potentially become unstuck from the eye shield, and we definitely don't want that. So in order to avoid that, you want to work in small sections and go from the base to the tip. And this is me changing the tool, girl, because I just feel like the Q-tip was a little bit too big. It wasn't as precise as I wanted it to be. So I decided to change it to the toothpick. And I feel like the toothpick, because it's small, it's easier and it can coat every single lash. And that's a close-up of me doing that. And like I said, just start from the base all the way up to the tip. And you want to make sure every single lash is covered. And now that you're done with that, the details or the instructions detailed to wait 10 to 15 minutes. I decided to wait 15, so that's me having a Slurpee. Dior came to visit me, girl, so then I was playing with Dior. And definitely while you wait, girl, you can subscribe to this channel, and you can also visit my boutique, CALImentality.com. But anyway, back to the tutorial. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take a dry Q-tip and you're going to wipe off the perm solution because it has been 15 minutes and now we have to wipe it off with a dry Q-tip. Now you're going to take your setting solution, girl. This is a different one. This is the next step. And so I used a toothpick with that. All I do was wash the Q-tip and reuse it. And I'm doing the same thing here, going from the base up to the tip. And working in small sections. All right, so we are done with that, and that's how that looks. Okay, girl, I was feeling myself. So now you wait another 10 minutes and do the same thing with a dry Q-tip. You're going to remove the rest of the setting solution off of your lashes. Then we're going to take the last step, which is the oil. Now this oil, the purpose of it smells really good, by the way, because I just smelled it. So the purpose of this oil is to condition your lashes as well as help them come off of the eye shield, because remember you did stick your lash to the eye shield. So I used a Q-tip as well, and just make sure with the oil you massage it in with your finger and just be careful and go slow with this one because the oil is runny. It's not as thick as the solution, so it can like drop down your eye. I also use the spoolie to kind of massage it in to help start to remove the lashes from the shield. And that's what I'm doing here. I use the toothpick to remove the lashes carefully. You don't want to pull them, but they will come off very, very easily with this oil solution. Girl, and as soon as I started pulling them off, they looked like they were lifted. My lashes looked like I actually had lashes and they were lifted. It was already looking cute, girl. So then you remove the eye shield. And bam, look at that. Look at that, girl, amazing, right? And there you have it. You have lifted your lashes. Look at the difference. So the only thing now to do is clean all of the glue off. And so I just used a damp Q-tip. And there you have it. Easy DIY perm lifted lashes, period. Now you're gonna do your other eye and I'll come back to you guys with the finished result. Hey girl, so you made it to the end of the video, and as promised, I am going to be announcing this giveaway. So I am giving away one of the Lash Perm kits from Pinkzio that we used in today's video, as well as 3 styles of eyelashes from Pinkzio. You guys, the only thing you need to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure that your subscriptions are not private, they are public, so I can be able to check, and make sure you comment down below, hey girl, okay? Just say hey girl down below, as well as comment your Instagram name or your Twitter name, so I can be able to DM you guys or message you, because I don't know if people really know anything about the DMs on YouTube. I don't know really about the DMs on YouTube, girl. So just any way that I can get a hold of you, those are the 2 big social media things that I use. So comment down below, hey girl, with your Instagram name or your Twitter name, so I can be able to send you a message if you won this giveaway. I will give this giveaway from the day that this video uploads. I'll give it 5 days for you guys to enter and comment and all of that good stuff. Subscribe. I'll give it 5 days, and exactly on the 5th day from when the video, or on the 5th day from when the video uploads, the giveaway winner will be announced in my community tab section. So good luck to everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, thank you Pinkzio for partnering with me on this video and giving me this awesome stuff and giving my subscribers a chance to win an awesome Lash Perm kit. Okay, thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.